Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and simple guide on how to change your name on WhatsApp. Whether you've recently changed your name or just want to refresh your profile, these straightforward steps will help you achieve that in no time. First, start by opening the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your menu icon. Tap on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, you'll want to select Settings from that menu. This will take you to your account settings where you can make personal adjustments. Now, at the top of the screen, you will see your profile picture. Tap on it to enter your profile section. Here comes the fun part. You'll notice a pencil icon next to your name. Go ahead and tap that edit icon to make changes. Now simply enter your new name. Take a moment to ensure that it's just how you want it to be. Once you're satisfied, just tap OK to save your new name. That's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully updated your name on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.